today and then felt really sick, so I was like, let me just go back to sleep. And then I just couldn't get back up. But I'm up now. Got ready. I'm gonna go to the vet. He has to get his shots, but I have to get that little shirt off of him. But he gets mad if I try to take it off. He doesn't like putting it on, but he also doesn't like taking it off, you know? Anyway, so I might stop at my sister's because she has an easier way of getting it off from him. But yesterday, the stuff for my sister's gift arrived, so I have Snoopy. I didn't realize it was gonna be stuff like this. There you have Snoopy. I believe this is the little heartbeat thing. And then these like adhesive things. So we'll work on that later today. Finished season 3 of Bel-Air. Starting season 4. I believe they said this is the last season, right? But yeah, so that's gonna be my day, and I'll see you guys after the vet. All done, Cusquito. Okay, back home, I had my lunch. I made tortilla de camarón. I don't love how it turned out, and I don't know what's wrong with it, but oh, I did forget to season it until the very end, so that might have been an issue. But it was fine. Cusco got his vaccines. They put an influenza one on, and so she said he might be like a little more quiet and might not eat, but he finished all his food, so I think he's good. Gonna take a nap, potentially watch another episode of Bel-Air, and then I'll get started on making my sister's gift. Okay, time to see what we have. I can't open it. Oh my gosh, I thought I broke it. Look at him. Okay. Oh, I didn't think about... Well, actually, I can see the seam. Okay, we're gonna open him back here. This thingy, I don't actually know if it came with batteries, and I didn't order batteries. Did I? Okay, it didn't. Yeah, I need batteries. Uh-oh. Okay. What is it saying? Batteries not included. 3 is a AAA. Well, the one, okay. AAA we might actually have. We open it here. I need to look for potentially some fabric to stitch inside. It's so cute. Okay, we'll see how it works. Okay, I've acquired some supplies. Little screwdriver. Actually, I think about it, it's kind of big. No, it's fine. It's a little big. Okay, we said 3 AAA. Triple A. A bag. Okay, let's try this. Oh, these look old. Hold the button. 1, 2. Oh, it's throwing different brands together. Well, here I only have different brands. So we'll have to get new batteries. Let's try these though. Okay, I'm just gonna have to buy new batteries, but I'm gonna try to open him up and see how it looks. On a seam ripper. I'm gonna attempt to figure out how to use this on this guy. According to my instructions, which means I just looked it up, it said to only open it like a few inches. So let's try it. Pull this, pull that. I might have to use the scissors. I found these scissors, but these are kind of thick. I feel like I have little scissors somewhere. These are thinner, but they're very long. Okay. You know what? We're gonna try a little bit on this. I don't get it. I've made an incision. I'm scared of opening it more, but like this thing is kind of big. So, should I figure out if this is gonna work first? I already opened them up. Alright. Oh, but I need the fabric. We'll see. I'm gonna go get the batteries and look for some little fabric. Hi friends, acquired the batteries and some fabric. I'm back. I'm gonna try this out again. 3. Put this back off. 1, a 2, a 3. Okay. Okay. Nailed it. Okay. Either. I'm trying to think what's gonna be easier because at one point it's gonna like the batteries are gonna have to be. Oops. The batteries are gonna have to be replaced, right? So I want to make it easy to open back up and find this thingy. So that's what the fabric is for, partially. Also to just protect this thingy. I saw something that said you could do like a hammock version with the fabric. Oops. Oh no, that's fine. Just kind of like put the fabric this way so it hangs. But I want this like on the chest or yeah, like okay. So then if I just sew like a pouch, but I'm like, how do I keep it from not? Because this is heavy. Well, but then if it's like I sew, I guess the pouch has an opening. I don't know. Okay, let's make a little one. Little pouch. Little pouch. Little pouch. Like, I should show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm not the best at sewing, and also I cut this fabric weird, so my stitches are all over the place. But this side's gonna be better. Remember how to do this. I'm also realizing now that I should have done it inside out, but it's okay. Or should I start over? We'll see. my pouch. This side looks funny, and then I did this one inside out. But because I cut it kind of funny, I'm afraid to redo this side. I guess there's a little bit of give, so I could do it. I might redo it, but I'm trying to figure out how I do this. So I'm gonna take out the floof so I can reach the front, and then I don't know what happens after that. I sew this onto the front. Actually, I'm gonna redo it. It was bugging me. So let's see. Okay, I can't figure out like stitching it, the pouch, but I did put it in there. And it's so big that I think like you could find it, no problem. So we'll see. Let's try to stuff him back in. I should cut up so much, I don't even know where this. Well, I guess because it's sticking to the face, huh? Okay, let's see how much I can actually get in here. Okay, it's down here, I see. No, I could stitch it up, but the point is, it has to be able to, you have to be able to open it. That's why I got these. But I don't know how I plan on doing this actually. I feel like it does need like a little, or like a, I don't know how to find those. Let's think about this. If I cut it in half, and I do it like this, and this height has. Okay, let's think. How big is this? Okay. So I think it makes more sense to put it inside, because then you won't see it, instead of doing it like one over the other. But I'm worried it's gonna look like odd. Okay, that does look a little funny. I mean, it doesn't look bad from there.